Alright, so this customer called in. He had a leak on his condensate line. This is a Navien Tankless. So they originally just piped it PEX to the floor drain. That's the customer's duct tape job. And the inspector originally passed this, which was incorrect of him to do. The condensate comes out highly acidic. As you can see, the brass piece connecting the PEX to the unit has been totally eaten. So if you have a metal floor drain, or if it's not piped to a neutralizer in PVC, anything metal is just going to be totally deteriorated. So we redid it all on PVC. That's my overflow tube. The reason I did that is because if the acid neutralizer canister ever gets clogged, or the homeowner doesn't change it in time and it gets clogged, the condensate's not going to back up into the unit and damage the tankless water heater. It will spill out of the overflow tube first, and that's just to protect the tankless water heater. So what we also did is we installed 2 unions on either side of the canister. So when it is time to change it, we can just quickly unthread it, take that out, put a new one in. And so that's that. Job complete.